Which of the following hit the fastest double test century? The correct answer is B, that is Nathan Astle. So Nathan Astle of New Zealand holds the record of fastest double century in test match cricket against England in Christchurch. Irani Trophy is associated with which of the following games? The correct answer is C, that is cricket. Saili Gokhale, who won an international title, is associated with which of the following games or sports? The correct answer is B, that is badminton. So Saili Gokhale is a badminton player from India and she was the gold medalist at the 2010 Dhaka South Asian Games in the women's single and team events. And Saili claimed the Indian National Championship in 2008 and 2012. The stadium Eden Gardens is situated at, the correct answer is A, that is Kolkata. Eden Garden is a cricket ground in Kolkata established in 1864 and it is the oldest and second largest cricket stadium in India and third largest in the world. Which country hosted the maximum number of World Cups? The correct answer is B, that is England. So England has hosted the most World Cups, a total of 5. So they hosted in 1975, then 1979, then 1983, then 1999 and last one is 2019. England are also the only nation to have hosted a World Cup alone. Which of the following is not the name of a cricket board? The correct answer is B, that is Australian Cricket Board. When were the first Olympic Games of the modern era held? The correct answer is D, that is 1896. So Athens 1896 Olympic Games, athletic festival held in Athens that took place from 6th April to 15th April 1896. So it is held on between 6th April to 15th April 1896. What are the 3 sports involved in a triathlon? The correct answer is B, that is cycling, running and swimming. So triathlon is a multi-stage competition similar to pentathlon where players compete against each other in 3 sets of different sports events which are swimming, running and cycling. Who is the first Indian sportsman to receive the Bharat Ratna award? The correct answer is C, that is Sachin Tendulkar. Match the following sports person with their sport. The correct answer is A, that is, so PT Usha, athlete. So the correct answer is E, that is athletics. Then second is Abhinav Bindra. The correct answer is shooting. Then third one is Mary Kom. The correct answer is boxing. Then the fourth one is Somdev. The correct answer is tennis. And the last one is Karnam Malleshwari. The correct answer is A, weightlifting. In which year did the open era of tennis start? The correct answer is D, that is 1968. So the open era, the first open tournament was the British Hard Courts at Bournemouth in April 1968, where the champions were Ken Rosewall and Virginia Wade. With which one of the following games is Baichung Bhutia related? The correct answer is D, that is football. He is an Indian former professional footballer who played as a striker, and Bhutia is considered as the torch bearer of Indian football in the international arena. He is often nicknamed the Sikkimese sniper because of his shooting skills in football. With which of the following sports the name of Parupalli Kashyap is associated? The correct answer is C, that is badminton. So, Parupalli Kashyap is an Indian badminton player, a former world number 6. He trained at Gopichand Badminton Academy and he was awarded the Arjuna Award by the government of India. Who among the following was awarded the Padma Shri at the age of 18? The correct answer is D, that is Vishwanathan Anand. So, Vishwanathan Anand awarded by the Padma Shri at the age of 18. The term under promoting is used in which of the following? The correct answer is D, chess. So, under promoting term is used in chess. Who is the coach of Deepa Karmakar? The correct answer is D, that is Bisweshwar Nandi. With which of the following games sports is Jones Cup related? The correct answer is B, basketball. So, basketball is related to Jones Cup. With which sports is Yelena Isinbayeva related? The correct answer is D, that is pole vault. Yelena Isinbayeva is a Russian former pole vaulter. She is a 2-time Olympic gold medalist 2004 and 2008, a 3 times world champion 2005, 2007 and 13. So, gold medalist 2 times, that is 2004 and 2008, and 3 times world champion 2005, 2007 and 2013. Which player has the unique distinction of winning 50 doubles title in ATP Tour history? The correct answer is A, that is Leander Paes. Layshram Sarita Devi is associated with which of the following? The correct answer is A, that is boxing. So, Layshram Sarita Devi is an Indian boxer from Manipur and she is a national champion and a former world champion in the lightweight class, and she was awarded Arjuna Award by the government of India for her achievements. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.